Kai Digital Media, where we empower creators. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add transitions in Final Cut Pro. Very, very simple, almost as simple as it was in Adobe Premiere Pro, maybe even simpler. So what we're going to do is, as you see, I have two clips here, just one of the kind of the shoreline of the beach, and then we have it where it like quick cuts to a boat into the ocean. So what we're going to do is just kind of make that a little smoother. There's actually nothing really wrong with that cut, but just to get it a little smoother, what we're going to do is just add a transition. So you want to go to the right hand side here and go to this like sideways hourglass or triangular infinity symbol, however you want to put it. But essentially what this is transitions. That's what that symbol is for. And you want to throw on a transition. Now, when you pick a transition, you have to pick something that fits your clips. In this case, I think a cross dissolve will look really good. So what we're going to do is I already have this selected, and then we see cross dissolve is at the top. It's probably because I use it a lot, or maybe it's a favorite. I'm not sure, but we're going to go ahead and grab cross dissolve, or that is very common. We're going to grab it and put it in between our two clips. And as you see here, it's going to say, yeah, not enough extra media. So basically what that's saying is there's just the clips aren't really long enough to add a big transition, because normally it would take a little more time, but that's fine. It's going to work perfectly fine. Do create transition, and as you see here, it's going to show the shoreline, and it's going to slowly dissolve into the next clip. And there you go. That's how you add transitions in Final Cut Pro.